duration of this video, you will be presented with information regarding global carbon and the effect it has on the atmosphere and the environment. Climate change, having carbon dioxide emissions by 2050 could stabilize global warming. An article from SoundsDaily.com states that the behavior of CO2 in the atmosphere is best described as a bathtub. A bathtub that is full. The outflow of the bathtub is smaller than the inflow, therefore CO2 emissions continue to rise, but the outflow of CO2 is very small. The result? Disaster.
This graph shows the predicted increase in temperature. As seen, by 2040, the temperature may increase by up to 2 degrees Celsius. To counter the 2 degrees increase, many things are being done. For example, the Copenhagen Climate Treaty is being discussed to find different solutions. To reduce deforestation, which takes 20% of total carbon emissions, there must be an increase in the global climate budget. The vast majority of the $160 billion per year should be deposited in the Copenhagen Climate Facility and apportioned by the 4 boards as follows. $56 billion per year for adoption activities, plus $7 billion per year for a multilateral insurance mechanism, $42 billion per year for REDD, $55 billion for vegetation and technology diffusion per year.
These are the top 6 countries for CO2 emissions per capita from 1960 to 2005. As you can see, Canada is 6th. On the other side, there are people who believe that global carbon has very little to do with the environment and atmosphere, and that global warming is in fact fake. It is the natural flow of the Earth for the temperatures to be fluctuating. A poster from Hippography.com states that if industry drives global warming that is going to push us into an ice age, who's to blame for the last one? Oh, and the one before that. Did the dinosaurs drive SUVs? So although global carbon and global warming sound rather welcoming with their temperature rising, remember that an increase of 2 degrees Celsius in the next 50 years is actually a great danger.